Hi class, let's take a look at this problem here. We have a set of XY pairs for the diameter and the circumference of different types of balls, and we want to find the best predicted circumference of a marble with a diameter of 1.1 centimeters. How does the result compare to the actual circumference of 3.5? Use significance level, 0.05. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the regression equation. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this data into StatCrunch. There it is right there. Go to Stat, Regression, Simple, Linear. The X variable is var1, the Y variable is var2. And we can actually put in the predicted value for the diameter of 1.1. So right here we can put in predicted values, 1.1. Okay, and let's just make sure we double check. Okay, the diameter is the predictor variable, the best predicted circumference of the marble with a diameter of 1.1. How does the result compare to the actual circumference of 3.5? So it looks like everything is in appropriate units. And now we're ready to proceed. So let's come down here, compute, and here is my model. So to 5 decimal places, the intercept is going to be this value here, 0.01889, and the slope is going to be 3.41, 14169, 3.14169.7. So technically this will round this up to 70 if we round this up. Okay, and the best predicted circumference is also offered in my output right here. For 1.1, the predicted circumference is going to be to 1 decimal place 3.5. Okay, and as you can see, it is spot on. Okay, how does the result compare to the actual circumference of 3.5? Even though 1 point, let's look at the answer, even though it is beyond the scope of the sample diameters, so 1.1 is beyond the scope, so it's not in the range of values used to make it. So this might be the answer here. Since 1 is beyond the scope of the predicted value, it's a very different circumference. Okay, so it's not B. It's not C. Since 1.1, okay, so it looks like A is going to be the best answer. Okay, technically, since 1.1 is not within the range of values used to make the model, we technically don't want, we shouldn't use 1.1 or use the model to predict the output for 1.1. So really the appropriate response is going to be A, is that even though it's beyond the scope, the predicted value does yield the actual circumference. So it turns out that we got lucky in this set of circumstances. Thank you.